Quickly, firstly, I apologise because this video is probably going to go for longer than 3 minutes, but I'm going to try and keep it as quick as I can, just because there's so much that I've learned. So first off, if I was to break it down into, or if I was to break module down into sort of the 3 weeks that we learnt in, obviously I start off with innovation, entrepreneurship, and it was really interesting to learn the 3 definitions behind entrepreneurship, because it's incredibly, well, from an outsider's point of view, it's an incredibly blasé topic. So it's great to have those 3 sort of set definitions that can outline, your different types of entrepreneurship. So your innovative or non-innovative entrepreneurship. So so obviously we've got Kerzner's definition, we've got Frank Knight's definition and Schumpeter's definition. So it's really, it's great to, entrepreneur is mainly about value creation. So the add-ons and the new ideas and everything that they can bring to the table. So it's Kerzner's definition that really stuck out to me, which was a perceived opportunity which is acted upon, and that not every entrepreneur is necessarily innovative, but there is still so many different forms of entrepreneurship. And then going into the second part of module 1 being that of design thinking, so I found the double diamond method really helpful in breaking that design phase into 5 steps, and the 5 steps being, discover, define, problem statement, develop, and then deliver. So that's been incredibly helpful to see the convergent and divergent thinking behind all of that as well. And then thirdly, with module 1, we learn about problem solving, and problem solving was a huge thing, which I found incredibly helpful in the 5 ways that we could actually break down problem solving. So mind mapping or brainstorming. I find mind mapping is incredibly helpful because it's visually effective for me. So you can literally write down all your problems and then span off and create new ideas and suggestions, with physical methods of putting post-it notes on. The differences between innovation or innovative entrepreneurship and non-innovative entrepreneurship, I found that it's incredibly easy to define innovative entrepreneurship, whereby it's someone who brings, I think we stated it's someone who brings, either a new product or service, a new process, a new marketing scheme, like method of marketing, the new target market or market segment, and then all the combination of multiple of those. So it's incredibly easy to define innovative entrepreneurship, but I found that defining non-innovative entrepreneurship was a little bit difficult, but I think I landed on the fact that non-innovative entrepreneurship is done out of necessity for lifestyle. So innovative entrepreneurship is an entrepreneurial thing, like it's someone's having value creation, they're creating an idea and bringing it to a market, whereas non-innovative entrepreneurship, whereby it's still being entrepreneurial, it's simply just bringing one of the same. So for example, a coffee shop or a pizza shop, bringing that to market is still entrepreneurial, however it's not innovative. Like, you're not creating something new unless you've got a different marketing scheme. You know, it's
So
much the same. Innovative entrepreneurship definitely has more value creation in a literal sense, whereas non-innovative entrepreneurial ventures tend to have less physical value creation. However, they have value creation in another sense, whereby they can create more jobs for the economy, the local economy, and you know, they can be support. The example that I came up with for innovative entrepreneurship was a product called Hegs Pegs. They've actually been on Shark Tank, I think, a year ago, and are incredibly successful now. I think they're, you know, multinational, or they're sending their product internationally now. It's all Australian made. It's literally just a dual hook peg, so you can peg stuff up and then hang other stuff on it as well. So it's multifunctional. Like, obviously maximizes the hanging space and all that kind of stuff. The type of innovative entrepreneurial venture it is that of it has innovated the product and the service, and it has definitely created a new, or it hasn't exactly created a new market segment, but it has, like Curzon says, perceived an opportunity within that market, and, you know, acted upon that perceived opportunity.